Anyone can use ChatGPT to start making money online, but most people have no idea where to start. Here are the 7 easiest methods to start earning $5,000 per month with AI. We will upload videos related to earn money from online. If you have interest in earning online, then subscribe our channel and stay with us. Let's begin the video. 1. Graphic and web design. Use tools like Microsoft Designer and Midjourney to create logos, UI/UX, and full web design for clients. 2. SEO services. My personal favorite and what I use every day. Create full SEO plans and generate content via AI. Makes this incredibly easy. 3. YouTube videos. YouTube is an amazing way to earn an income. Start a channel and start producing videos using ChatGPT and tools like Visla and Pictory. 4. Online courses. Creating and selling courses online is another great way to earn money. Use ChatGPT to do the research and publish courses on Udemy or similar sites. 5. Build websites. Using tools like 10web and Durable, you can create full websites for clients using AI in a matter of minutes. 6. Freelance coding. Take freelance coding jobs on sites like Upwork and Fiverr and use ChatGPT to do the coding work. 7. Digital marketing. Use AI tools like AdCopy AI to create FB and Google campaigns for clients in minutes. Which AI money method was your favorite? Let us know in comment below. If you like our video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.